Hello, I'm Sherry. Welcome to my channel. I got both my kids home. You know, with this coronavirus scare going around, I just feel safe with them home. My older, my 10-year-old didn't have school, so that's closed down for a couple weeks. And my yaya did have school today, but I just felt more safe keeping him home. You know, my little world, my whole little world. So I hope you guys are staying safe out there. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna say about all that. Just that I hope everyone stays safe and blessed, and I'm sending out prayers, I'm sending out love. But for now, we're gonna do an unboxing today. I am doing this unboxing in collaboration with Cait White, my friend here on YouTube. She is also a mother, a fellow makeup lover, all things unboxing and beauty lover. She's just really amazing support for me and my channel, and I'm really glad I met her. And so you guys should go check out her channel. We have a little surprise here, which you will find out later in this video. But right now I'm unboxing my BoxyLuxe unboxing. So let's get right into that, shall we? Okay, I have no makeup on, just did my skincare. I'm loving my skincare. Look at that glow. Oh, I just love it. I love skincare and self-care and all that good stuff. So anyway, here is my box, my BoxyLuxe box. We have a paper, once again. Pretty edgy Boxycharm, pretty edgy. And then we have all our products. The first thing I see is the Suture Beauty Mini Ceramic Curling Iron, and which when I made this choice for this, I didn't know it was a mini, so there's that. But it says style your hair like a professional with this mini ceramic curling iron. Compact design is safe for all hair types and has a max temperature of 370 degrees. Create gorgeous curls with ease and keep hair healthy with even heat distribution and adjustable temperature control. MSRP is $50 for this little beauty. And I will show you what I got, what it is. Little mini curling iron. I didn't know why I chose it. I thought it was one of them nice big ones with the barrels and da-da-da. And it's a freaking mini. Look how tiny it is. Oh my god. I'll probably give this to my niece. My niece has been experimenting with curls. My little chibibi. You guys seen her with me with an unboxing somewhere here on my channel. But look how tiny it is. It's so little bitty. So next time I see my baby girl, she'll be getting a little curling wand. Yeah, it is cute, but I thought, I didn't see the mini part. They left that out, I swear, because I did not see it. Okay. Alrighty, so set that aside. Okay, so the next thing I see, I'm just gonna throw these things out of here. They come packaged with that. Next thing I see is the Sol de Janeiro in Brazilian Bum Bum and Coco Cabana Cream Duo. So these two little. Okay, so anywho. Duo of Sol de Janeiro iconic body creams comes complete with the Brazilian Bum Bum cream, which helps to visibly tighten the appearance of skin with an addictive pistachio and salted caramel scent. The Coco Cabana body cream provides 72 hours of hydration with the deliciously complex fragrance of young green coconut cream, tropical orchid, and toasted praline. MSRP is $15. So I'm taking it is $15 for the both of them, right? Yeah, has to be. So $15 for the duo. So like $7.50 a piece, something. I don't know, whatever. But I swear. This one, the Coco Cabana. Is that the one? Let me see here. I don't know which one. I think it's this one. Man, I don't know, but it smells like popcorn. I swear, like butter, like the butter in the popcorn. I don't know. I think it does. It still does, I think. And I heard that they reformulated it with, like, they tried to lessen the popcorn scent in there, but I still smell popcorn. Okay, so next thing on the list here is Boxycharm Hello Charmer Palette. This exclusive Hello Charmer palette features a blend of 12 matte and shimmery shades made specifically with the charmers in mind. These highly pigmented colors deliver maximum payoff while providing smooth textures for transitional day to night looks. MSRP is $39. That's cute. Hello Charmers. Made in Taiwan. Shelf life is 12 months. It is cruelty free. This is the little Boxycharm logo here. I just think it's so cute. Really cute. And then the colors are really pretty. I think they're pretty. Look at that pink right there. Really, really pretty. Anyway, in this video, I have an extra one of these for one of you guys. And I believe Cait does as well. So there will be a giveaway in this video. I don't even think we worked out the kinks of what like the rules are going to be for the giveaways. But just stay tuned, and I will update my description box with the rules. Usually I just say, you know, leave a comment and I'll enter you, you know. So we'll see. I'll talk to Cait about it. I just been off, you know. Everything's been so off nowadays. So I'm just so jumbled. Everything is so jumbled. I'm just trying to do like a million things at once, and then I'm neglecting my uploading. Like I was getting really good there, you know, uploading 2-3 times a week, and now I don't know, I've been barely able to get one out a week for the last couple weeks, and yeah, I need to get back on track. And it's gonna be extra hard now because I got my kids home. It's just a lot, and I know we're all going through it. And yeah, I just wanted to put a little super fun giveaway for this palette in this video, and then I will link Cait's video in my description box. I'd like you guys to go check her out, subscribe to her, you know, and enter our giveaways. She is fun. She's awesome. She does a bunch of little sneaky giveaways. You guys will have to watch her videos all the way through. She likes to do super sneaky giveaways too. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, MSRP $39. Next we have, which I was so excited to get, and I've been using, the PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device. It says PMD Clean is a smart facial cleansing device with over 7,000 vibrations per minute. Our sonic glow technology not only ensures a deep cleanse but provides a way to lift, firm, and tone problem areas for a more youthful appearance. MSRP is $99. And I have been using this baby for the past 3, maybe 4 days, day and night. Use this side to cleanse, and I use this to push in my serums. I use it to push in my moisturizers, and I don't know, I feel a difference already, I swear. But it takes, you know, it's gonna take time. It comes with this super cute little handle thing here where you can just set it down and it'll stand up, you know. And yeah, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 4 different settings on there. And I've just been keeping mine in here because I didn't get to unbox it yet, so now I can actually put it up somewhere in my room. Anywho, I was very excited to get that. That made the box worth it for me. I love skincare. I love it, you know, so I was happy to get that. The next thing we got, NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. Potency and precision. The ultimate power couple. A powerful concentrate for our most powerful matte yet. Fluid pigment complex. Liquefied pigment with a zero gravity feel. Introduces infinite matte color saturation with ultra flexible, long lasting wear. MSRP is $25. So $25. I got it in Get Up, Stand Up. And it looks like a red. Reddish, pinkish shade. I don't know. But I'm going to put this in the giveaway too. So I will give away this and that palette. So I'll set those two aside. These two aside for now for the giveaway. Elizabeth Mott Smooth Eyeshadow or Smooth Shadow Eye Pencil Duo. It says, with this eyeliner pencil, they'll call you Lady Smooth wearing the super creamy, slightly shimmery, creamy eyeliner. This gel pencil glides on easily, feels like satin, and goes from day to night in an instant. MSRP $40? What? $40? For a freaking pencil? $40. Sorry, but if I didn't get it in this box, I would not go and buy this. I'm sorry. I just wouldn't. And it says it's in Raven and Pearl. So there must be two of them. Yeah, I would not. I suppose it'd be like $20 each, right? But still, like, I don't even know who Elizabeth Mott is. Yeah, it has like glitter in there. You guys can see that. Yeah, a little glittery. No, it's kind of cute. Does this come off? Sharpen me. Well, how do you sharpen me? How do you sharpen it? I don't know. I'd have to look into it. Huh. Yeah, that's odd. It says sharpen me, but then it's like, where's the sharpener? I don't know. I'll have to look into it. If you guys know how are you supposed to sharpen these, let me know. Deborah Lipman, Fire on the Horizon and Can't Stop the Feeling Nail Polish Set. The new healthy alternative to gel polish, combining the technology of Gel Lab Pro with nail color. This dual patented formula with 10 active ingredients helps deliver health, wear, and shine. MSRP is $19. Well, them are really pretty colors. That one looks like it has separation in the bottle, but I suppose you just shake it up, right? Oh yeah, it feels like there's like a little BB or something in there shaking. So we got some little nail polish.
Mom,
so I have the Moroccan Oil Protect and Prevent Spray. Shield your hair color from... Okay, thank you. Shield your hair color from daily damage. Protect and Prevent Spray helps keep hair color from fading or becoming brassy by protecting it from exposure to environmental factors that weaken the hair. MSRP is $30. $30. Says it's for color treated hair. Spray and protect. My god, does that ever smell freaking good? Yum. Yummer. Oh my god, this smells good, yeah. That smells good. Me likey that. I didn't even smell it. And I've had this box for a while. I don't know why I didn't smell it. Alright, so for this giveaway, I'm going to give away... Yeah, I'm going to give away that lip pigment. I'm going to give away this Boxycharm thing. And I'm going to give away this nail polish. So these three things will be in my giveaway. Make sure you go check out Cait. I think she's giving away her palette. I have an extra one, so I will be doing a look with this hopefully soon as I can. You know, it's just I really want to play with makeup, but I swear every time I finally get my house done in order and sit down doing unboxing, it's like, man, I gotta give Yaya a nap. I gotta get lunch ready. I got you know, I got stuff to do. I'm sorry. For the other giveaway, for the Tati palette, make sure you go and look in the description box and enter through that gleam thing. I don't think I'm going to do the gleam thing anymore. It was just something I wanted to try. I wanted to try something new, you know. So I did, and I don't think I'm going to do it anymore. But these 3 things, I'll list, you know, the date. I think I'll probably let it run for a week or 2 weeks. I'm not sure for this giveaway. But look in the description box, leave a comment. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure that I can see that you're subscribed. You can send me like a screenshot showing me you're subscribed if you'd like either via Facebook. I have my links down below for my Instagram, my Facebook, my Twitter. Yeah, let's stay connected. Let me know how you guys are doing. I hope everyone stays safe out there. I'll be sending out prayers for everybody. God bless. Stay safe. Not much else to say. Love you guys. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Bye. Make sure you enter my giveaway. See you.